Hi y'all, my name is Cy Taylor and today I'll be showing you some of my features I love about our GX board. Have you ever wanted interconnectivity for a great price? Well, with our GX, you can break down barriers without breaking your budget. I'm gonna get into some of my favorite features. So when I reach over and press my menu button, I'm gonna go to my split screen option. It allows me to select which applications I would like to use. So I'm gonna put my whiteboard in a browser at the same time. I can pick up my pen and I can write while also being able to search on the internet. A feature I'm gonna slide into is I'm gonna exit out of my split screen option, put up my whiteboard big, and I can actually go to picture in picture. And my picture in picture allows me to choose from my PC options. I can actually click into this right here and I have a connected PC to this. And this is where you get your bang for your buck at. You get smart ink. It allows you to write within the document and it actually stays here. If I pull up another web page, I can also write into this one and go back and what I wrote still lives in the page. So if you would love to know a little bit more about the GX, go ahead and book a demo with us. Figure out what my favorite features are and see if they can be your favorite features too.